I just wanted to pop in and share a little bit of why I created the space, why I'm here, and what I'm doing so that you know if you would find value in sticking around. Just a little bit of my story as a homemaker. I have been a full-time homemaker for very little of my motherhood. I've constantly been picking up like part-time things here and there, just staying busy. I don't know. I find comfort in staying active and busy, but it also has been hard to find systems and strategies that work for me and for my brain, not just for the busy schedule, but specifically for my brain. It's been difficult to find something that sticks. My brain is a little bit rebellious, I like to say, whenever there's like an expectation or something that has to get done, like a schedule or something. I think that the schedule is beautiful and I want to stick to the schedule, but my brain just decides to throw it out and wing it. Because ultimately, I have this like deep need for autonomy, I think is what my deepest need is. That's what I've had to build homemaking systems around and figure out strategies that work for me and empower the version of myself that is sitting there in that moment deciding what to do versus just empowering the self that is on Sunday afternoon writing my plan or figuring out what to do. So that's, I think, the most core function of my homemaking systems. And secondarily, it's been really valuable to me to figure out what's going on in my home and what needs to be done and how I can manage that efficiently and effectively without overburdening myself. So, if you like what you see here and you want a little bit more of me and my work, I will include a link below to some of my courses and resources that I have put together. Courses on things like developing routines that actually stick for more than a month, resources on things like meal planning and feeding your family when you have less than two brain cells to rub together at the end of the day. And I hope that those are valuable to you as well. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you in the comments and in my little community, and welcome to HomeFlow.